Alright guys, what's up? It's been a long time, but we're back. Stay here. Dragon looks a little bit different now. It's not completely done, but it's rideable. I've got a Switchback 136 skid bolted under there and a 1.75 pedal. It was a 2-inch, but I cut it down to fit. My buddy gave me a good deal on it, so yeah. New cooler's in. I haven't even really gone for a ride yet, except for just around the yard. I had to put that new cooler in there. I put it in, and I had to put, here I'll show you guys in a second, but I had to put a plate on, and it needed to be riveted in. And so I drilled out the rivets. I'll show you. I drilled out the rivets, you can see them down there. But I had the new cooler in, because I put stud through the one last year, if you guys didn't already know. But anyways, then I accidentally drilled a hole through the brand new cooler. So luckily I found a guy right in Nashwauk that welded it up for me right in town away. So got it welded up, back together. It's been apart for a couple months, just got it back together today. I'll start it up quick. Runs now pretty good, so I'm gonna take it for a first ride now. Sorry I haven't been posting so long, had some family stuff and then just been busy. Lost my head. Tried to make a sledding video about 2 weeks ago, lost the GoPro that had most of the footage on it. Still haven't found it, so I'm filming on my session right now, but I have another GoPro Hero 3 and I can't find that, so I think I left it at my buddy's shack we were riding, so I'll have to go back there and check next time we go there. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Try it. Compare it to how it was. What are you doing?
Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vests on my shoes. I pop a pill and I lose. Wait, speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up.